It's audible, right? Everyone. So, what is this Apache Kafka? Why we need to use this? What are the scenarios in this case? So all these things will have you need to understand this one. Okay. Apache Kafka. So this is like an Apache Kafka one. So generally, what is the thing we need to use? Why we need to use this one? All these things. Okay. So before that, before the start this, I think Pondal joined. So Suresh Reddy. Okay, fine. So how about there's one more wizard? Ajit Rishabh. Hello. Rishabh Jain. No, fine. Anyway, uh, see, what is this components? What is this producers? What is this consumers? Generally, what is this Kafka? Right? Generally, what is this Kafka? Apache Kafka is nothing but basically it is a message queuing service. More than that, it is a live event data streaming concepts. Okay. So what is this live event data streaming? So any idea on this? How about Suresh? Which domain you are working? Hello.
Data only, Vishwa.
All right. So great. So I mean data engineer or data analyst?
Yeah, data engineering.
Data engineer. Okay, fine. Yeah. Especially for data engineers, yes, definitely it is required this Apache Kafka for this. All right. So now, all right. So before that, any idea on this Apache Kafka for this for you, Suresh?
It's a data streaming tool to stream the data, live data from producer to consumer.
Yeah, fine. So Apache Kafka is like open source distributed data streaming concepts only. So that is one of the main thing. And again, the key features why we need to use basically like publish and you can subscribe messages. And also, like, it is a distributed architecture also. And again, it is a streaming data processing. I mean, like, what exactly it will be handling the like, high volume of data and again, high intensity and again, high velocity of the data where we need to gather the data, like, quicker responses for that purpose. So, in which scenario and again, why we need to use this Apache Kafka in the sense? A real-time like, data processing. What is the real-time data processing here? So basically, it will be processing the data when data is enabled with real-time insights. Like example, like if I want to get like any quicker responses, if I book a cab on spot immediately, so I need to get the results like immediately. So that data streaming concepts will be handling with live data one. Okay. Then again, what is the use cases after this? So main purpose, especially for the data engineering concepts, like streaming of the ETL, like extracting, transforming, and again loading concepts. And again, the this is a message queuing services also, right? And again, the core components of this Kafka is nothing but so generally all the topic missions is called as a cluster. So this is topic one, topic two, topic three, right? Example, topic one is cluster. I mean, this is one mission, second mission, third mission. Like this in one mission, topic is nothing but basically anyone heard about Kubernetes?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So in the Kubernetes we have a components called as a master node, worker node, and again nodes, and again pods, and again inside that pods multiple containers, right? Same thing here also. Collection of topic nodes is called as a cluster. And again, in each topic node, we have a multiple partitions. In each partitions also there will be like multiple replication factors. All these things will be coming on scenario. Okay. So this topic node, topic two node, topic three node. In this each topic node, we have a like multiple partitions. And again, also like this producers will be sending the data. This producers is nothing but any kind of applications, any kind of front-end applications. And again, this is a producer one, producer two, producer three. And again, consumers will be receiving the data to store any kind of data warehouses or any databases, any kind of platforms. So once the consumers can be receiving the data with the help of consumer group, it will be creating the consumer groups. From there also it can store the data. Correct. So this is one of the main platform. So is it good thing to understand? Kafka architecture. What is Kafka and again Kafka architecture? Use cases. What is the use cases basically? Before that, I will share my syllabus. Oh, this one once again. Once again, Kafka. So once again, just syllabus. These are the syllabus of Kafka and again Zookeeper. Like an introduction to Kafka and again Zookeeper, Kafka fundamentals, again Kafka use cases, scenarios, Kafka architecture overview, producers, consumers, and again Kafka fundamentals here, and again Zookeeper basics, and again Kafka installation, again setup, and again Kafka producers and consumers. While writing a sample, this class is completely, this course is Kafka administrator level and again Kafka developer level. Is it clear, right, Suresh? I mean, everyone, I think. Who is this now? NAV now? Hello, is it audible?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right, so great. So these are the one of the main points. And again, this is the topics I'm going to cover here. Okay. So, and again, administrator part of syllabus also, and again, developer part of syllabus also, both we are having here. And again, this is like 4 to 5 weekends, but it will be like always 1 week extra only. So 4 to 5 weekends. So anyone knows that how to set up Kafka cluster setup and again Kafka cluster setup with the multi brokers, multi topics, all these things. Anyone? Ajit, now Rishib, Suresh. All right. So now, if you have a good interactions, that's very good to me. Yeah. So can we do this cluster setup at least like one single topic broker? If we are okay, then we can do this one. Can we create a sample cluster setup here? So basically, how to set up this sample cluster setup? So in this case, we should do this one. Let's go. All right. So quickly, within 10 minutes, the AWS class, I mean, like in the AWS, so we can create a sample cluster here. So are we are familiar with AWS cloud, right? I think many of them are okay.
So one quick question, Vishwa.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm comfortable with Python, but does this course require any Java knowledge?
No, basic Java applications we can run, but by here, like few of them will come with like the Java coding. So Java application also I'll be showing the examples, and again for Python also, and again Node.js also. Not required basically.
Okay, great. And we are going to set up Kafka setup in AWS, right? As I can see your screen.
Yes, yes, yeah. So we can also set up with like a single cluster setup, multi-cluster setup, all these things.
Okay, sure. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Can we do it now, everyone? Within 5 minutes, so 10 minutes, if all are okay. Or else just need discussion about like what is Kafka Zookeeper. Just I given the architecture, but still the both administrator level jobs also and again development level jobs also, because many of them developers has been joining for this course only, especially, and again few of them like 70 to 30 70 30%, 70% administrators, 30% developers, both. All right. So now quickly we can set up like sample in one dress machine. So within 10 minutes we can set up with Kafka. So this is generally what I'm talking here. Kafka setups. This is what one of the broker I'm going to set up this one. This is one of the broker. So I'm not taking like 3 topics, only one topic, okay? So now 1 second. AWS Cloud here in this case. Are we familiar with Windows machines or Linux machines, everyone? Yep. Yeah, so okay, we'll do on this. So quickly we can set up with the Windows machine now. Launch instance. In the launch Windows machines, Windows. And again after that, in the Windows machine. And again here, we can take 2019 base. I'm taking the 2019 server base. So I'm setting up the Kubernetes, Kafka cluster setup, okay? For this, I'm going to take high available machine, T2X large or this T2 large, or also we can take T3X large also, because I need quicker responses. So that's why I'm taking this T3X large. And again, this is one of the sample key pair. So for the first time to log into this machine, we need this machine, this key pair, Kafka Vishwa, PIM file, create a key pair. All right. So Kafka, for the Kafka port number, we need to open the port number 9092. And again, Zookeeper, we need 2181. So what is the Zookeeper and again Kafka here? Kafka is nothing but just it is collecting the data. Zookeeper is nothing but where cluster management like Kafka and again log analysis and again health checking. So all these things will be analyzing from the Zookeeper. So these days, Zookeeper is a dependencies tool for Kafka. But later on, they made Zookeeper is embedded package into the Kafka. After that, nowadays they're deprecating the Zookeeper. They are using their own proprietary tool, Craft, C-R-A-F-T. I mean, K-R-A-F-T. So Craft is nothing but it is a similar to Zookeeper. That Craft is nothing but application developed by Apache team only. So, right. So now, in this case, what is the port numbers I need to open for this? So we need to open the port numbers 9092, or else by default, I will be opening all the TCP port numbers. 9092 is a Kafka broker port number. 2181 is a. Is it clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, Vishwa.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will also record the session here. The thing from the beginning will go on this. This lab is now I'm doing the within 10 to 15 minutes how to set up the Kafka single broker, single topic or single broker setup. Okay. Okay. The same documentation I do have here. This is a documentation. So what I'll show this. So Kafka zookeeper basic commands. Okay. So let's be tagging this one. Okay. All right. So these are simple concepts. Like either Ubuntu machine. So if it is a Linux machine, we can take it out Linux machine. If it is a Windows machine, we can also take it out Windows machine. So what I'm doing here, just okay, this is multi-broker nodes, 3 Kafka and get 3 Zookeeper nodes. So I don't want for this. I want like a single Kafka broker nodes only. All right. So now in this case, we'll take this scenario only for the Windows machine. All right. So just 10 more minutes, we'll complete this one. So how to launch this EC2 instances? We can take any one of the EC2 instance here. So now, how to set up single Kafka broker thing? Okay, just start writing. How to set up single Kafka broker setup. So now, first point, like launch EC2 missions by flavor in Windows mission. Second one, install the dependencies. Install the Java and set the environment variables and do the add the configuration file. Change the configuration files. Change the configuration file in server.properties file. And change the configuration files in change the configurations. Okay, so in server.property files and zookeeper properties file. Zookeeper.properties file. Right. So next account after that, create a topic. And these are the topics. And again after that, creating the topic, listing the topic, and again produce the topics, produce the messages, and again consume the messages. And build the cluster in Java mode by installing offset. Okay, offset explorer. This is a scenario. I'm going to cover this one. Is it visible, right, everyone? Show this again one more time. Single one. Okay. All right. So quickly again, one more time. So I think everyone we are available here. How to set up single Kafka broker setup in Windows machine. Launch history machine in AWS Cloud. Install the Java and again set the environment variables. Change the configuration which is required in the Kafka and again this one. Okay. And also this one like third point. So basically install the Kafka. Okay. And unzip the Kafka folder. So I have this. Okay. Then again in this case, change the configurations. And again, create a topic, list the topics, produce the messages, consume the messages, view the cluster in Java mode by installing Offset Explorer. This is completely single broker setup. So now 7:29. So we'll quickly complete within 5 minutes here. So instances. Again, everyone need to have a AWS account because we can install in our local laptop only because we don't have a proper good configuration setups. So that's our purpose. Now, Kafka, Windows single broker setup. And again in Windows machine. And again here we are taking 2019 base. Either 2019 also we can take, either 2022, anything is fine. So and again here take good configurations. After taking this, we can stop this machine. And again I'm taking for this, for demo purpose, I'm taking this 60 GB RAM. And again key pair name. So I'm creating a new key pair. The key pair. Why this key pair? For the first time to log in securely for Windows machine Kafka, Zookeeper demo. I'm taking the PM file, that is a private file, which is RSA encrypted. Create a key pair. Yes, done. Then again, we need to open the port number. The port numbers for Kafka 9092, and again for Zookeeper we need 2181. Source I can connect with anywhere. The port number for this one 9092. Okay, and again add security groups. One more. So one more port number we required 2181. So and again this is a customer anywhere from the source. So these are the things we need to connect here 9092 2181 launch instance. So right, only the two port numbers if you open, that is perfect. Like this single Kafka broker setup, multi Kafka broker setup, Zookeeper setups, and again high availability setups. So first we should learn administrator level, and again after that the programmatical way in the configuration files, in the JSON files, how to interact with this endpoint URLs of this Kafka and Zookeeper, how to send the event-driven messages to the end of the applications. All this we can see. So any confusions till now? Everyone. Ajit, now Rishabh, Suresh. Is it good?
Good.
Yeah. So now in this case, so I'm waiting for this machine to spin up. This Kafka Windows single machine. So we can also do this Windows flavor, and again the Linux machine also we can do both. But in live classes we can do in the both the operating systems. Right, everyone. So I'm waiting for this machine to spin up here.
So meanwhile, during this setup, Vishwa, so why do you need Zookeeper here?
Yes. So suppose to understand this concept, just basic information about this concept. So in the airport, the flights will be landing, taking off, and again taking on, right? So both the things. So for that, we require one terminal. That terminal is called as a Zookeeper. Same thing that aviations landing and again moving on from one place to other place is called as a Kafka producers and again consumers there. But in this case, Zookeeper in the technology wise, Zookeeper is nothing but generally we use for mainly to maintain the Kafka setups, and again cluster setup, lag aggregations, and again meanwhile to maintain high availability, and again it is a main part where it can distribute the data to the multiple consumers. Because Kafka standalone, it cannot able to distribute because it will be getting overloaded data, and again that event driven data it can collect from the source, but after collecting that it will do like partitions or application factors it can do, but after that where it need to send, and again to exactly where it can need to divide it, so that part will be taken care of Zookeeper.
Yeah, makes sense, Vishwa. Thank you.
Sure, yeah. So I'm waiting for this now. Yeah, I think this machine is spinned up. Great. Yes, so I can connect to this machine, connect RTP client, and I can download remote desktop file, and I can get password. So I think these are general use cases. If everyone is using this service cloud, is it easy? And again, I'm taking this, and again, I'm decrypting this password, decrypt the password, copy, and again, log into this machine. And again, connect. Paste this password. Yes, log into this Windows machine. So click yes. And again, this is a Windows machine. Logging in. Yes, great. So now click yes. Now, so we'll install this one quickly. So some 4 dependencies we should install it. For that, first I need to download Google Chrome, which is a better one here. So that browser. It is loading the data on screen. Okay. Meanwhile, I will tell the scenario why it is basically server manager. The server manager, local server. We need to turn off this. We need to turn off the security. Click on this. Click OK. Great. Off. Now we can go back this. Or we can download almost. Yes, Chrome browser. Download. As the application is installing. Great. Don't sign in, skip. Next, in this case, first, download here Java 1.8. So we can download from here only. So anywhere. And in this Windows 64. Then again, we can download this with our email account. That's it. Yes. So this Java is downloaded. After downloading the Java, we need to set the environment variables. So just click install. Fine. Then click OK. Then next. Close. All right. And you can also download this Kafka. So Kafka we can download with the latest version is 3.90. We can go with like 3.81 or 3.7.1. Anything is fine. This craft is introduced from the 3.2 onwards. But anyway, we can take it out 3.8.1 also. So I'm taking this second one, 2.13. This is a binaries here. Right? So then again, once it is downloaded. So meanwhile, for this supporting software, we require because this is in the gunzip format. I need to download 7-zip to extract this one. So, right. So 7-zip, you can download it here. And again, yes, 64-bit, fine. I can take any Windows OS versions. Quickly install. Yes, install. This is 7-zip because to extract this downloaded gunzip folders. Process, yeah, right. Okay. Now see, right click here. It will be asking like 7-zip extract. Extract here. It will be extracting. Yes, in the tar now. Tape archive mode. Again, extract here. The folder will be extracting. Yes, the Kafka folder is extracting. And you insert this one binary configuration file libraries. So just click on this download. Then again, copy this. Are we there, right? Everyone, hello. Yeah, anyway. So copy this. And you can insert this. We can keep it out this folder in the C drive. After extracting, please keep it out here. So if you want to rename this folder name, we can rename the folder name also. Right. Yes, this Kafka folder is there. If you want, we can rename this one. Kafka. All right. So now program files, Java is installed here. Please take this Java JDK. So take this and you can set the environment variables. How to set the environment variables? So here, env and again env environment variables. Yes, we need to create a two variables here. One is new variable Java underscore home. And again, another one is paste here, click OK. Click OK. Then again in the path, edit, new, paste it out here. Here we can mention it like binary. Click OK. And again here, JRE underscore home. We can also take this JRE path also. Copy. And again, JRE home variable also this one. Click OK. And again the path. In the path again here, edit. Here also we should mention this one. JRE path, both environment variables. Click OK. Then again after that, so one more thing. The Kafka also, please take this Kafka variables also. So take this Kafka path. Yes, this is a Kafka one. Take this. Also set the environment variables. New variable for this one, Kafka home. And you can paste it here. Click OK. Edit. In the path, edit. New. Binary. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. So this is the environment variable setups. This machine is too slow. Okay. This is fine here. Now environment variables is set up. Now, what is our configurations? Just also please download like one more tool because to edit the configurations, Notepad++ is fine. So we can take this one. Download. Anything is fine. Stable. So downloaded. Click OK. OK. Next. Agree. Finish. Closes. And again, now the reason, now we need to change the configuration file. Yes. So please go to this folder, Kafka folder. In the Kafka folder only, Zookeeper will be combined embedded packages will be there. Kafka. And again, in this configuration file, here we need to set server.properties file. This server.properties file is related to Kafka 1. Open the Notepad++. What we need to change? This configuration file, we need to understand, like, little bit information, like more we need to get. So here, broker ID 0. Always the broker ID will be starting from 0. If you want, like, more broker IDs, like if I have 5 to 6 broker nodes, then again, this node is 0. And again, other nodes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like multiple broker nodes also we can do. All this we can learn in the real-time scenarios in the live classes. So now localhost, by default, I'm taking the broker ID 0. And again, listeners, localhost machine. And again, networking threads 3 only. We can change according to our request based. And again, the second thing, where we can create like, Kafka logs also. This Kafka logs, we can keep it out here. C drive, /, I can create like, temp folder automatically it will create Kafka logs. So it will store by default all the Kafka logs it will show. So it's visible, right? Everyone see? This is the one. So what I did here changes. The first change is like broker.id. Second one like local host 9092 is a port number for Kafka. And again temp Kafka logs. Right? This is the one. Then again after that, Zookeeper connect like localhost 2181. By default, it will take save it out. Clear? So this is the main configuration we need to do. This is for the Kafka node. Next, if you want to change any configuration for the Zookeeper properties, yes, we need to change here also. The option is here. Data directory. By default, this is a Windows machine. So for that, we can change the path. Temp folder. And again, Zookeeper we can keep. So client port number 2181. And you can save the file. Now, all the thing we need to start this Kafka. How to start this Kafka? So now in this case, so PowerShell. In the PowerShell here, it's visible, right? So cd dot and again here. So I need to go to the cd Kafka broker here. In the broker node, enter ls. I need to see all these things here. And you can go to this binary folder. And in the binary folder, we have like Windows machine packages also. In the GUI mode first, I'll show here. So basically Kafka folder. And again, in this Kafka folder, we have configuration files should be available. All this configuration file here. If you want to change console properties and again any distributor properties, any kind of like log4j properties here, and again producers, consumers, server properties, zookeeper properties, all the configurations. In the binary folders, we have like both operating system, shell scripting, and again batch scripting we are having. Like how to start Kafka, how to create a Kafka topics, how to list Kafka topics, how to start Kafka node, and again how to start Zookeeper nodes, everything. This is like Windows machine batch scripts. Coming back, Kafka again. So libraries, all the dependencies will be available for this. And again, licenses, set documentations, all this. So now let me go back here. So now I want to start. So in this case, now Kafka, sorry, we should go to this. It will take like some time, sorry. Okay, see in this case, Kafka. First, we need to start Zookeeper. So Zookeeper start, server.start. See here, Zookeeper server.start. And again on this configuration folder. CD Windows machine. Zookeeper server.start. In the configuration folder, we should give Zookeeper properties. So this is the one thing. If everything is good, Zookeeper will start. Yes, the Zookeeper is started now. It's visible, right, everyone? Suresh, now Rishabh, Ajit.
Yes, it's visible. Yeah.
Zookeeper is started now. Again, open like one more PowerShell because we require like, a lot of terminals. And again, in this case, cd dot enter. So one more thing, cd Kafka again, Kafka binary and again Windows machine. Yes. Now I need to start Kafka. Kafka's broker start. Kafka server start dot bat, and again the configuration path we need to give here. That is the like server dot properties file. Now Kafka will start. So I think now Kafka is also started. So here, just we can analyze this one. This is Kafka. Kafka is started now. By default, all the things. And again, one is, this is the first thing we need to start Zookeeper. Second thing we need to start Kafka. So this is a Zookeeper. The left side is Zookeeper. Zookeeper we started. And again, Kafka is also started. Now I need to create a topics. So how to create a topics? Again, open the portion. One more, because it's now I'm doing everything server and again client in the same machine only. Okay, now go back to cd data and again Kafka folder and again binary folder, Windows folder. Now I need to create a topic. How to create a topic here? The first thing, I need to create a topics. So for that, for creating a topics, we can create a topics like this. Kafka topics.bat. And again, we should give bootstrap server local host 9092. And again, the topic name. I want to create a topic. So for that, we can also give in the beginning, or else we can give here also. Create topics. The topic name. So we can give it like demo class. Demo class, bootstrap. Enter. If everything is good, topic will be created. Clear, right? So now see the topic demo class is created. Now if you want to create like one more topic, just up arrow. So we can make it out like your demo class -1. One more topic will be created. Now I want to list how many topics is created here. How to list? Instead of this command, I can run the simple command list. List. So now the two topics are created here. Like one is topic created. If you want, we can also delete the topic also. So, but right now this is enough. Now, after creating the topics, if you want to create a topic partitions, we can create a partition also. But I don't want to do this one now. I want to do this producers now again. So one more PowerShell. Open this. Multiple commands will be there. So one more. Next again. cd dot enter. And again Kafka folder, binary folder, Windows folder, enter. In this case, now I need to do Kafka console. So Kafka console producer.bat, right? I need to produce the messages, right? So for which topic? Demo class. So in the demo class topic, I need to produce some messages. Okay, enter. All right, sorry. It's same command. Sorry, it's coming. Here, topic demo class. I forgot this one to add. It's an error. Enter. Next, in this case, Kafka producer. Kafka producer, one second. Kafka console producers that back and again topic demo class and again topic demo class. In this case, bootstrap server. bootstrap server, I mean, localhost, here 9092, enter. So now, producer is started. Now, see if I print the message, hi, welcome to the world of message queuing services. Right? Now I need to receive these messages. How to receive these messages? Again, consumers. So open one more terminal, PowerShell. One more PowerShell. So open this, one more PowerShell, enter. Now cd Kafka. Kafka. So here again. Here, one more thing. Kafka, again binary, and again Windows, and again Kafka, console, consumers, okay. Then again topic, which topic? Demo class. And again, local bootstrap here, bootstrap server, local host 9092. See, now I'm not getting the data here, right? So now, if I enter the data here, example, see here, now I'm not getting the data here. So, but already the data is available in this case. In this scenario, two messages are there, okay? I'll minimize here, everything I'll minimize it. This also I'll minimize it, two topics. This also I'll minimize this. And again, the left side is producer, and again, the right side is consumer, right? Example. Okay. In this case, now how to receive this data? So now if I enter the data here, example. Okay. Hi, see, now it is entering the data here, I, okay. But if you want from the beginning, also we can do this one, example, okay. Control C in this case, but everything will be vanished here. Terminate if you want a batch up, you can terminate this batch up. Then again, if you run the command from the beginning, if you want all the messages from beginning, we can run. So it lists the messages. See, hi, welcome to the world of message queuing services. Clear, right, everyone? Ajit, Riship, Suresh, the scenario. Okay, this now winds up our Zookeeper running Kafka demo classes. How to install single machine, single Kafka broker setups. Okay. Any questions? Please let me know this. Are we good to understand up to this one? If all is okay, I need to jump to other meeting. So, any confusion still on? All right. So, if all is well, so we'll wind up this class now. Suresh, Ajit, now Riship.
Yes, Vishwa. So Vishwa, this is a weekend class, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, this is weekend class, and you said 4 weeks or 5 weeks, right?
Yes, 4 to 5 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, you're going to share your notes also, right? Once you're done with your session and recordings also, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And if possible, right, just for now, help us to elaborate the terminology here, Vishwa, because we are new to this, streaming terminology, especially me. So, yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks, Vishwa.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you. Sure, yeah. How about Ajit? Now, Rishabh.
Yeah, from my side is also okay.
Okay, fine. How about now? Okay, then if all is well, like I need to jump to other class. Thank you. Then can we wind up this session? Sure. Thank you, Ajit. Thank you now. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you.